Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, June 27th, and it is the day after the Ultimate Planner sale has ended. It ended last night. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry. My brain is in a million different directions today, but so I am going to be working on orders today. So I figured, why not film a like pack orders with me or work on orders with me video. You guys seem to like those videos. So that's what we're doing today. So I have to print off like a pick list, print everything, cut everything, package everything. You know the drill. I don't know if I will do it all today because I also need to edit and upload a video, try to film a plan with me, and then possibly edit another video and get it up. So there's a lot going on. It's a short week. I'm working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then we have Friday through Monday off, and part of the time we're going to visit my family, and the other part of the weekend we will be back here with James's family, which is still my family, but you know what I'm saying, like we'll be in Tennessee for a part of the weekend and then back here, and it's a lot, but it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. So there's a lot going on, have a lot of things to get done. Oh my goodness. You know how sometimes your eyes just still are not awake? That is me today. So yeah, that's what's going on. I have paper. That's what's going on with today, with the vlog for today. Just orders and getting stuff done. And then we will figure out our life from there. But mainly it's just right now it's orders and it's figuring out what I already have, what I need to print, what I need to cut, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm still not awake yet. I'm still not awake yet. I'm like, ugh. So, let's get to it. Let's get today's work done. Okay guys, so my battery died while I was cutting stickers, so I had to charge it, and for whatever reason this battery on this camera I feel like takes way longer to charge than my other ones, but it's fine. We got it charged. You guys are all good. You're charged, ready to go. I finished cutting everything. Thank goodness. I finished cutting everything. I just have to package everything up. that is it for today's vlog. I'm gonna go get some other stuff around the house done, and I will check in with you guys, or I will not check in with you guys. I'm ending the vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.